What'd you get, Mommy?
A birdhouse and a bird feeder.
She got a birdhouse and a bird feeder. They finally got her, built her professionally a birdhouse and a bird feeder, everybody. It took me all day slaving everybody to build that birdhouse and bird feeder. I had to go clear to Home Depot to build that birdhouse and bird feeder. Y'all believe me? If you believe me, I want you to know that a bear does shit in the woods. Oh, everybody. Yep. So, much love, like, subscribe, and share, and it's been busy up in here. Catch y'all later.